Now thieves have stolen a statue from the altar, allowing Volkanu to escape. We have located the Oratica in a remote grotto, guarded by 6 stone figures, all that remains of the doomed thieves. So we ask you, help us. Unless once again imprisoned, Volkanu will surely destroy Lost Island. With the assistance of the 4 realms, we Tamariki have developed an infernal transport vehicle for your treacherous journey. You will be armed with a thermal equalizer, which channels the power of the 4 sacred elements for your protection. You will board the infernal transport and find a hidden grind. Destroy the 6 demonic figures to recover the golden Oratica. Embrace the temple of fire beneath the volcano. Place the Oratica on its altar to imprison Volkanu. Be brave, for he will surely unleash his multi-minions at every turn. So blast away the dangers with your thermal equalizer. Gather your courage, adventurers, for it is now up to you.
Please, help us. Without the Oratica in place to restrain him, Volkanu is free to destroy the entire island. The Tamariki have confirmed.
First, we must find the 6 statues. The statues! Destroy them!
Find the Temple of Fire. Return the Oratica to the altar and defeat Volkanu.
We made it! A temple of fire!